Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the chemistry bench in Icarus. First of all, go to the tech tree tier 4 and go to the far left here. You need to have the fabricator unlocked, so you have the tier 4. And secondly, you'll have to have the electricity tool and some kind of a electric generator, like the biofuel generator, solar panels, or whichever one of these options you prefer. Then, if you scroll to the right a little bit, here you'll see the chemistry bench. Go ahead and click on it, unlock it, and in the fabricator, we can go ahead and craft it. You'll need some steel ingots, which you can get from crafting steel bloom, and smelting it in the furnace. Refined wood is crafted in the carpentry bench, just using one wood. And electronics, you'll need copper and gold wire, some organic resin, epoxy. Composites are made from the composites paste, which you can make in the material processor here. And the glass is made from melting the silica ore or sand here. So we can go ahead and craft it. Place it in your inventory. And we can place it on the floor. Once you've placed it down, we can pick out the electricity tool, and from your grid we can connect it to the chemistry station. And also you can connect it to the water supply, because there are some recipes that require the water. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.